Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating this pink eyeshadow makeup tutorial for you guys. So to achieve the same, please keep watching. So to start off, I am going to conceal my lids. I have already done that here, and I've also done my eyebrows. I am using this pink eyeshadow from the Makeup Revolution Eyes Like Angel eyeshadow palette and applying that all over my lid using my fingertips. And I'm going to build the intensity as I'm applying this color. Using fingertips for your eyeshadows gives you the maximum intensity of the color, so that is what I'm doing here. Using my Urban Decay Smoky Eye palette, I'm using the shade Whiskey from this palette and applying that on the outer corner as well as taking that into the crease, and I will slowly build the intensity of the same. Now I'm going to use the same palette and I'm going to pick up the shade called Combust from the Urban Decay Naked Smoky Eyeshadow palette, and using that shade I'm going to blend the brown eyeshadow that we applied. Now I'm using small strokes of my L'Oreal Felt Tip eyeliner and I'm going to apply a small wing on my lids. Once I'm done with that, on my lower lash line I'm using the Black Market eyeshadow and also the brown eyeshadow from the Urban Decay Naked Smoky Eye palette and just blending that on my lower lash line. Once I'm done with that, I'm using the same pink eyeshadow from the Makeup Revolution palette and applying a little bit of pink on my lower lash line. Using the Gosh Kajal pencil, I am applying that on the waterline, both the upper and the lower waterline, and just making sure that the kajal is dark enough on the lower waterline. Once I'm done with that, I am applying the Gosh mascara on my upper lashes and also the lower lashes, and applying 2 coats of this. So this completes the eye look. I have done the rest of the makeup and this is how the final look is. I hope you guys liked the makeup and the eyeshadow look especially. If you like, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up for this video. Bye.